Hello, today I'm going to install and unbox this Starlink Router Mini, and it's going to replace this Apple Airport Extreme. I did order two, but only one of them has arrived on the same order number, so they may have gotten mixed up. I've contacted support to get on to sending me the second one. So I'm going to replace these and use them as access points or mesh nodes, because the Airport Extremes are just, well, for use of a better word, just dumb Wi-Fi access points. So there's no handoff between them. I got another one in the lounge room over there. And I have a Starlink Mini outside on the roof just up here. And that is just a standard actuated Starlink. And I have a Starlink Mini in the car, but I'm just using these as mesh nodes. So what we're going to do is unbox and I'll show you what's inside. We have the Starlink guide. Fairly simple. It says set up your Starlink, plug this base thing. You can either do the wired connection to it, or we can do the wireless connection, which I will do, a 3B. And then there's some mounting options, but I'll just use the stand. So what do we get in the box? We get the Router Mini, and it looks fantastic. Looks like we have the Starlink port there and an Ethernet port and reset button and DC input. Really compact. Excellent. We have some regulatory notices. We won't bother with that. We got the stands. We got the wall mounts. We have an AC adapter. Let's see. So it provides 9 volts DC, 1.6 amps. All right, well, I'm going to plug this in and then I will open up and give you voiceover on the app for configuration. Okay, I'm in the Starlink app, and as soon as I open it, it says there's a new mesh node trying to join the network. So yes, we will pair it. Pretty simple. Additional Starlink routers can be used as mesh nodes to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Place each mesh node between your main router and an area with poor signal. I did that. I put it in the lounge room. Yes, it's in location. It's in the open. It's not in the cupboard or anything. We're not going to wire it. Wait a few minutes. And the mesh one is connecting. There we go, connected to main router. So the second one I will put into my office, but looks like there's stuff being connected to it now, which is cool. Let's rename this to maybe family room. Family room. There. Okay, I'll show you a video of where I put them in a second. So I'm in the garage. This is where the Starlink main router is, okay? And the garage, and it's kind of facing the road there, but I think this is kind of omnidirectional anyway. And front door, bedroom to the right, won't go in there. And we'll walk right through the house. There's an office over here. Got some builders out there fixing up making a new office out there. And the Router Mini is over here. All right. And where the other Airport Express used to be, well, it still is. I've turned it off. Come on, light. Just over there. Okay. And that's it. But yeah, we'll see how it goes just with these two for now. I might return the other one. But that Airport Extreme's turned off now.